I bet you can't guess 5 out of 5.
What is the most common method for electric vehicle EV owners to charge their cars daily? A primary environmental advantage of owning an EV compared to a traditional gasoline car is
Follow us if it's been too easy so far.
which of the following is often cited as a long-term financial benefit of the EV lifestyle?
Get ready. It's going to get harder now.
What term describes the concern among EV drivers about the limited distance an EV can travel on a single charge and the availability of charging stations?
This one will really test your knowledge. Plus, don't forget to tell your score in the comments.
Compared to gasoline cars, EVs typically offer a different driving experience characterized by